Hi guys, in today's video we'll try to understand what is a process builder and how it works. We will take one example as well. So process builder is a tool provided in the Salesforce. It is used to automate a business process. So the business process which are using if then conditions. Uh, for an example, if you have paid some amount, then do certain tasks. So like if an else you if you are a developer, or if you had worked as a developer, you must be knowing what is an if else condition. So it is something like that. So it contains only if then. So now this is when you are doing a hands on, you will see a graphical representation to implement this. So we will cover that. And now next is when how it can be initiated. So there are number of, not number of, there are actually four ways, or on high level you can say three ways. So why I said four ways? Because it can be started or triggered when you are creating a record, or when you are editing or updating a record. It can also be started by another process, and it can be invoked by an event is triggered. So there are four ways: create, update, initiated by another process, or event. In Salesforce, you might see like create and edit as a single one. So this is the way to initiate it. Now, once it is initiated, what are the actions or tasks it can do? So it can do a number of tasks. It can update another record. It can update a related record, related like parent child kind of thing. And it can create a new record in Salesforce. It can also send an automatic email. Suppose you have paid some amount or you bill, and after that you want to receive an automatic email, then that can be achieved. Or something like, suppose if some in an opportunity is closed, when an opportunity is closed, you want to send an email, automatic email to your manager or supervisor, informing him that this has been closed. So such things, automatic email. It can start a flow. It can post to chatter. It can also invoke apex logic. If something is complex logic, or some there is some requirement which we cannot you know implement in Salesforce through the provided tools, then we can code those logic, and we can invoke the apex logic through this process builder. For an example, like calling a service, https, something like that. Now you can call for quick action. It can start another process also. uh, Custom notification, survey information. So uh, let's take one example and do the hands-on to understand this. Search for process builder in the quick find box, and you can see the process builder. Let's load the page. Now here you can click on new button to start the process builder. Now give the process builder name. So I will give it as like city of Salesforce. Okay, and then API name is also city of Salesforce. Description city of Salesforce, YouTube videos. First process builder video. Now here you can see that record changes. Here we can add the object. So basically object is like on which object you need this process builder. You need it on account or opportunity or any other object. So here I have selected accounts. Now when you select account, under that it says that the start the process. So how do you want to start it? Only when a record is created or when a record is created as well as edited. So there is some advanced option also. We are not going into that. So here I will select when a new record is created. So the first option I'm selecting and then save it. Now, so here give the criterion name and the conditions are made. So these are the like how you want to execute these conditions or when you want to execute these conditions. So based on some formula or you want to execute without any condition or criteria. So I will select the first one when conditions are met. And so based on the, here the criteria name is create city of Salesforce. So let's type this one, create city of Salesforce. Now I'm selecting the first condition. So I will create this on account object and contains. So account name contains a string as city of Salesforce. Now there are not multiple conditions, so all the conditions are met. Okay, and then action we can add. So there are multiple actions, like what are the tasks it can do, like we discussed earlier. So I want to send an automatic email. Here you see the process actions, send custom notification. So we can do anything. So I will select email alert. Action name is send a welcome email. Okay, there is some typo. Just please ignore that one. Email. Okay. So now email alert. So here you need to select an email alert. Now, if this is not configured, then I see that I'm trying to see if so. I think it is not configured. So let's create one alert, email alert. Now here we can create a new email alert. I will just randomly put whatever values in these fields so that we can just come back to our original question. So here you need to select the email template. There are so many templates. I will just randomly select anyone. We can create a new one, new template again, specific for this question. But let's not spend a lot of time in creating a new one. I will upload another video how to create a new email template and how to configure emails maybe in later videos. So just let's choose anyone from the whatever the list coming here. So I will select the marketing product inquiry. So I have selected and I will select the recipients. So all these users are basically there are multiple users, but the main email ID is attached to me, uh, like to my email ID. So let's select all the user. So guest admin, Fumiko, so many. So now I will also add one additional email here. We can add up to 5 email IDs here. So I will add my own email ID and we'll see if it works. Now just come back to our original. So this is the email is created, alert is created. Now the email alert was city of Salesforce, create city of Salesforce. So we'll try to find here. Okay, so it is welcome to Salesforce. Okay, now save this. So this is the automatic email alert is configured. Now let's activate this process flow. Now it is activated and then we can go to accounts. Now search for accounts in the app, in apps, and then there we can create a new record. with the name city of Salesforce. So let me open and then click on new button, and here it is. So we can create account name as city of Salesforce. If you want to provide some more information, you can do so, but I will mm, I will close it. That's enough for this example. So there is no mandatory field which we need to fill. So let's save this one, and now we can go to our email and try to see if there is any email received from Salesforce. So let's log in. So if you will see this, the fourth email which is replied, because I used my own email ID, so it is Genvet. Thanks for your inquiry. Since I tagged the marketing email template, so it is coming this way. So if you'll open it, you can see that this is the basically email triggered because we added city of Salesforce. So if you see the city of Salesforce at gmail.com, and this is also sent by salesforce.com. So this is the email I received. So and that's all for this video. In next video we will take another example on process builder from Trailhead. So thank you for watching.